Guys, so we're going to show you a quick video on basically this new head unit. This has built-in DSP. What that means is it's going to have great audio. That's a digital sound processor. Well, let's just show you all the features. Alright, so let me just go through the menus. With the DSP, you pretty much have all the settings kind of built in. It's just automatically going to sound better. But what you get with a DSP rather than not having one is you're going to have also more just additional sound control. So under the amplifier, you're going to have the usual, I don't know how many bands this is, but you have a lot. But you also have more tabs to customize it even further because it has all that processing you can do. You have the LUD, the FAT, the cutoff frequency, you can base, and then you can adjust your individual sub, which is really nice. And then down here you have the common like directional where the audio is coming from. You have the front, the fader, and we all know about that. But with the DSP units too, they also have something right here, specialty. So the specialty, you have more options like where certain sounds goes. You have delay, fader. So like, let's say your front speakers or whatever, you want to have a really big sound stage and stuff like that. If you guys know about audio, you can basically have somebody tune it for you or tune it yourself. You have car speaker distance settings. There's a lot more. It might be a little bit more advanced for the common user, but it's there. And let me tell you, the sound difference is a pretty big upgrade. I would say it's not something that is like crazy, but it is definitely noticeable. I would say the audio is about 20% better. The bass is that thumpier, the highs are that clearer, then the sound separation is a lot better. Now, of course, I can't really show you because the sound doesn't really transfer to the microphone and then to your speakers. But from my experience, that's how it kind of is. But yeah, that is what the DSP is about and what kind of software you can use to customize things. What I usually do is I don't really use Bluetooth too much. I use Android Auto. So if you want the best sounding audio, I would definitely look into Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The sound quality is a lot better when you use it through a direct plugin, where if you're that much of an audiophile, you want to use a direct plugin like a USB rather than Bluetooth, which is very compressed. So this is like Travis Scott, and then you can adjust the EQ and stuff like that, and you can adjust the audio, and there's a bunch of things. I have certain things turned off, but there's some presets, and you can definitely hear the difference when you turn them on. On my system, I kind of like it just everything kind of neutral, but it's there if you want it. Same with this right here. You can turn all this stuff on. I like keeping this stuff on. I think it makes a big difference, and it sounds dope. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, shoot them down below. But the DSP wave is coming, so stay tuned for the DSPs. They sound so much better. And finally, the Android head units are stepping up their game. Of course, Pioneer, Sony, they all had really nice DSPs that just blow any Android. But this is a really good step for Android head units to have getting closer to that sound quality that the bigger brands are known for. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.